Are you having problems with an AI bot misbehaving or typing that does not like you? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can easily report that AI bot easily to get it removed. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, what you need to do is you can just simply open up dola.com on your web browser, or just simply open up that and make sure you are logged in as well in order to report. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done that, on the left side, you should be seeing your chat history right here. So you can just simply select a bot from that. If you don't see it, you can just simply select more and you should see it. So let's say I had to report this bot, and you can just simply select it and the chat should open up. And on the top left side, you should be seeing this three dot icon right here. Just simply select that. And again, you should be seeing this three dot icon. So select that again. And here you should be seeing report. Just simply select report, and here you can just simply select confirm report. So you can also copy details, select continue, and the report should be sent. And now the report should be read, and if it's accurate, the bot should be removed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.